Tort and its essentials. Definition. Tort is civil wrong committed by one party against another party, in which injured party can take legal action against another party for damages. Derivation. The word tort is derived from the Latin word tortum, which means to conduct. Meaning. According to Oxford Dictionary of Law, tort is civil or private wrong. Example. If a person enters into the land of other person without permission, then first person committed tort of trespass. Objectives of Law of Tort. To protect the rights between parties to the dispute. To protect certain rights recognized by law. To prevent the repetition of a harm. To restore the property to its rightful owner. Essentials of tort. 1. Wrongful act. 2. Legal damages. 3. Legal remedy. 4. Civil wrong. 5. Legally recognized rights. 1. Wrongful act. Wrongful act is the essential of tort. It must be proved before the court that the act done by wrongdoer was a wrongful act, and it must be private or civil wrong. 2. Legal damages. Legal damages is an essential of tort. Wrongful act done by wrongdoer must result in legal damages. 3. Legal remedy. Legal remedy is also an essential of tort. Legal remedy enables injured person to receive of compensation from wrongdoer through the court of law. 4. Civil wrong. The tort is a civil wrong. Violation should be civil violation, it should not be the criminal violation, because tort is a civil or private wrong. 5. Right legally recognized. The right which has been violated must be legally recognized right, and if it is not legally recognized, then it is not recognized in the court of law.